Don't be afraid. So many of my clients, when they first came to me, they had waited so long because they felt their credit was just too far gone and they didn't want to face it. They didn't want to look at their credit report. They didn't realize that it could be fixed. And so they just waited such a long time. And when they finally did contact me, they realized that it wasn't as bad as they thought. I showed them what I could delete or fix. I instructed them how they could rebuild their credit with positive accounts, and they were pleasantly surprised that it got improved much quicker than they had anticipated. But the first step is for you to contact me today. Give me a call, send me an email, send me a message, and let me take a look at your credit reports and see what I can fix or delete and instruct you on how you can start putting some positive accounts on your credit report. And I'll give you a free analysis and estimate, and let's get you started back on the road to good credit today.